Today, I'll show you how to delete a Microsoft Azure account. Whether you're cleaning up old accounts or simply no longer need Azure's services, this guide will make the process straightforward and easy to follow. Before we dive into the actual steps, it's crucial to understand that deleting your Azure account will remove all associated data and resources permanently. So, make sure you've backed up anything important before proceeding. To start, you need to search for and open Microsoft Entra ID in the top portal bar. If you're unfamiliar with Microsoft Entra ID, it's a comprehensive identity and access management tool that helps you manage your Azure Active Directory. By searching for this, you ensure that you're accessing the right place to manage and eventually delete your account. Once you've opened it, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. From here, look to the left sidebar menu. You'll want to scroll down to the Manage section. It's a bit of a journey down the list, but it's worth taking the time to ensure you're in the right spot. Once you're there, click on Properties. The Properties section is where you can view and manage many of the settings related to your Azure account, so it's an essential step in this process. After clicking Properties, you'll notice a Delete Tenant option at the very top of the page. This is where things start to get serious, as you're now at the point where you can initiate the deletion of your account. Click on Delete Tenant. It might seem a bit daunting, but this is a necessary step to proceed with removing your Azure account. Now, Azure will automatically run a scan. This scan is important because it ensures that all subscriptions linked to your account are fully closed and that no enterprise applications are left active. It's a thorough check to make sure that nothing is left behind that could cause issues later on. If you do have active subscriptions or applications, you'll need to resolve those before you can continue. This might involve closing subscriptions or removing applications manually. Once the automated checks have passed, you'll see the option to click Delete at the bottom of the page. This is the final step to wipe the directory and remove your Microsoft Azure account. Clicking Delete will permanently delete your account and all associated data, so double-check everything before proceeding. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Microsoft Azure account. If you run into any issues during this process, it might be helpful to reach out to Azure support for additional assistance. Remember, deleting an account is a permanent action, so ensure that it's what you want to do. Thanks for watching this guide, and I hope it helped simplify the process for you. If you found this tutorial useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.